We can't ramp over there.
Ah! I lost you in the shot.
No! Stop.
That was cool though. I was getting a shot to where I was following it, you know?
Ready? I'm gonna do like turns.
Well, you went underneath it. The drone doesn't turn as fast. Oh no! You changed direction on me. Where are you? There you are.
I just did a front flip. Did you not see that?
No, because you're going around too crazy. Okay, there you go. There, that looks good. Keep going.
Did you get that at least? I did a 360.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm going this way.
Okay, go. Nice. I don't know what you're gonna do.
Tire popped off again.
What? Dude, why does that tire keep... I even put Loctite on it.
What the heck is happening
It's the
with
same
the
tire, too.
What the heck is happening? That tire just doesn't like the car.
You see the nut anywhere?
I'll find it somewhere. Found it.
You found it?
Yeah. At least we got some cool shots, right?
Are we done?
I mean, I guess.
Why are we done?
Because the tire popped off.
Bring it over here so we can put the tire back on. We can at least twist it back on for a little bit. Here, you can drive the drone.
Battery level is low.
No, not the battery level.
Will return to the home point
No.
in 10 seconds.
Cancel. I need to bring it over here.
Take off. Home point updated.
Hold on. Bring this down. The other way. That way you have a better view of the X-MAXX. Are you getting it in the shot?
One sec, gotta go down a little.
All right, you want me to start driving?
Yeah.
You want to follow it? No, I'm going fast enough.
No.
All right, follow it. Now I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna turn to the right and slowly come this way. You have it on. You have it on it. What are you doing? Your drone's going crazy.
I'm following it.
You got it on the view?
Yeah. Don't hit us.
No, I'm going this way. right here. You see it? You need to make smooth movements with your sticks, dude.
Go full speed.
All right, I'm gonna, here, why don't you get behind it? Come around here and get behind it, and I'll just go full speed that way, and you can just follow it in a straight line. All right, you ready? I'm gonna go. You ready?
Go. Yeah, the drone's so slow compared to
Well,
it.
you're also not pushing it forward.
Yeah, I am.
Where are you?
Behind it.
So you can see it? All right, I'm gonna come straight towards us. Follow me. All right, go.
It's dead battery or something. Because, like, the drone's not going up.
It went fast, right there. I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna do it again. Careful, you got close to us. You ready?
1 sec. Okay, let's go.
Give it full speed.
Yeah.
How's that going? Can you see it?
Yeah. Do I do a trick?
I can't see that far away to see what I'm doing.
1 sec, gotta turn around.
All right, let's bring it all the way back to us. You see the truck?
I'm gonna flip it around. Okay, I see it. 1 sec. 3, 2, 1.
Go. Where are you going? What are you doing?
Yo, I'm super high. I'm going down.
Oh, slow down. I'm in view. You want me to go try to make a jump?
Sure, let's go. But I gotta go higher. I'm gonna be
Oh,
like,
tire fell off again.
of course it did.
I don't even understand. I put Loctite on it. Is that the same one? No, that's a different wheel.
Oh yeah, that's the wheel that looks slanted.
I guess I need to put Loctite on every one. But this one looks like I did put Loctite on it too. I don't know what's going on. It's probably gonna fall off again since I'm just hand tightening it. At least these are big. You can see these wheel hubs.
Yeah. And I'm standing in the ant bed, so I'm probably gonna get stained twice. Give me your home.
Why?
Kinda tired.
Here, why don't you let me fly the drone a little bit more? You do some jumps over here. Let's go stand on this little drainage ditch thing.
I don't like that thing because it gives me ant bites.
It gives me ant bites. That does, or the ants that live near it?
The ants. So that thing is the cause of it.
Let's just see if there's any ants by it. Looks fine for now.
I can't really ramp that.
Whoa! Where are you?
Right here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
I got some hair on that. I'm gonna do a crazy one. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that wasn't really crazy.
Oh, Will. Again. Go find the hub.
Okay. It's a blue thing in all gray, so it should be easy. Never mind, this is not easy.
You see it?
No, not yet.